fuck? This is the very first time I'm experiencing baha. As alas pinyera. What the heck? Ngayon naman, we are trying out sofa beds. Let's see kung okay ba yung quality niya. I'll try. It looks so flimsy. Pero 7,000 lang siya, friends. 7,400. Pero ganito lang ba dapat yung ano? Hindi very giving yung tela. Or naman parang maganda din. Nasa recliner na tayo. What the fuck? This is the very first time I'm experiencing baha. As alas pinyera. What the heck? Oh my god. Andito na siya. What the heck? Ulo! Malakos! Oh my god. Ah! Grabe dito. Oh my god. Oh, as in.
Ha?
I-charge siya kayo ng mga power bank at puro mo kailangan nyo i-charge. Sama pa yung rin.
Friends, kahit dito sa workout station ko, kahit sa gym ko, medyo bumaba na yung baha, friends. And we are currently scooping. Rescue team! Rescue team! My God.
Talagyan niya ng mga damit na hindi pa ganun kadumi.
Hello friends, it is the day after the baha incident and we were so tired of cleaning from last night. Natapos kami siguro mga 1 a.m., 1:30 ganyan. Pero I also had to monitor yung mga staff namin kasi meron kaming mga staff na nabaha din. Tapos mga kailangan ng rescue ganyan. So Josh and I were also on standby for that. It is 1:30 p.m. right now. Ang sakit pa rin ng ulo ko but I am just grateful talaga. Nung nandyan yung baha, parang nagre-reklamo talaga. Parang, bakit? Pero nung nakita ko yung situation ng mga kapitbahay namin, mga ibang staff namin, friends, parang, what? Walang karapatan magreklamo. So, today, my plan is to really, medyo general cleaning na, not medyo. Gusto kong malinis lahat ng mga kailangan linisin. It is a Monday, supposedly a work day, but we also had to cancel and suspend work kasi ayoko ring mahirapan yung mga staff namin pumasok, especially yung mga pumupunta physically ng office. Ayun lang. I hope you guys are safe and dry. Ayun lang. This is the situation of the gym and I want to clear this out. Ito, nasira pa to. Vinyl to eh. Tapos, natanggal siya nung baha. And for today, we wanna take everything out. Let's go. I also took an initial photo of the room, and sa visuals pa lang, nilagay ko na kung ano yung mga for donate, for LAIA, for kalatagan ng mga Airbnbs, mga for trash, and what I should be keeping. So, this is gonna be our guide today for our linas. This over here is something that I really want to get rid of because yung board games sa living room, gusto kong ilipat dito para tatanggalan ng stuff dun sa sala. Dun ko ilalagay yung air bike. It will make sense later. Flowers. I think it's going to be... So, these are the stuff that we're throwing away. Itong mga boxes na to. This is our living room situation, and the plan is to move the board games dun sa gym. Tapos, para malagay ko dito yung air bike. Ganito yung itsura ng sofa ngayon kasi yun nga, kakatapos lang nung baha. So, I am taking this opportunity to do general cleaning for the entire house. So, now I am rearranging ito, punta ng gym, yung air bike dito. And you would probably ask, bakit kailangang nasa living room yung air bike? Because my grand plan is to be able to air bike habang nagne-Netflix at ang YouTube, ganon. So, I just really wanted to be productive kasi iisa lang yung TV namin. We don't have a TV sa gym. So, yeah. So, instead of us sitting in the couch for a long while, maybe do air bike or, ayan. Let's do it. Okay, so we are done with that part. Now, I am taking care of this side. Yung mga gusto kong i-keep. It's still such a mess. Pagod na ako. But we will power through. We will power through. We got this. So I want to take out everything first. Maybe I'll put it dito sa baba. And then, I'll choose kung ano yung mga ilalagay ko sa table. Para lang din, I could identify what I want to put back in the table. friends, we are done. We did it. I'm so tired. It is 10:26. Pagod na ako. Last na. Yung ano na lang. Lalagay ko na lang yung air bike dun sa tamang lalagyan and then you're good to go. Ba't ko ba ito ginawa? Hindi ko alam, but I feel good. I'm tired, but I feel good. I did my quest today.
Nababawasan mo.
I'm so happy. Ito na tayo, friends! Yay! And this is our gym. Finally. Yay! And I have a full mirror to myself. Thanks for watching today, my friends. Bye!